Hello! Let's learn some colors. Pink color, brown color, red color, violet color, orange color, black color, light green color, yellow color, dark blue color. Let's try to draw some 2D shapes. Try to draw with me. Circle, triangle, square, hexagon, heart, pentagon, dark green color, dark blue color, brown color, light green color, red color, orange color, circle, triangle, square, hexagon, heart, pentagon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.